Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Samp P 500 futures path of least resistance is up after the Fed, ahead of GDP Confluence Detector. http ntvforex.com News ID CFAA 16061 GMT. By Yohai Elam. The Samp P 500 index has been able to move higher after the Federal Reserve delivered a dovish message, promising to do more if needed yet without a clear commitment. The Fed urged elected officials to provide further stimulus as negotiations continue on Capitol Hill. Investors are now shifting their attention to the first release of the second quarter gross domestic product peak impact of the pandemic. The economic calendar is showing a disastrous fall of around 34.1% annualized, yet the range is wide. Samp P 500 futures are on the back foot ahead of the historically low figure, but technicals look better. The technical confluences indicator is showing that Samp P 500 futures have strong support at 3,236, which is the convergence of the simple moving average 51H, the Fibonacci 61.8% 1 week, the SMA 215M, the Bollinger Band 1H middle, and more. It is backed up by further clusters, with a noteworthy cushion at 3,226, which is where the pivot point 1-month resistance 1 and the previous daily low meet the price. Looking up, an initial resistance is at 3,252, which is the confluence of the BB1H upper, the previous yearly high, and the Fibonacci 38.2% 1 week. The upside target is 3,272, which is a juncture of lines including the Fibonacci 23.6% 1 week, the PP 1 week R1, and the PP 1 day R2. Samp P 500 chart. Here is how it looks on the tool. Confluence Detector. The Confluence Detector finds exciting opportunities using technical confluences. The TC is a tool to locate and point out those price levels where there is a congestion of indicators, moving averages, Fibonacci levels, pivot points, etc. Knowing where these congestion points are located is very useful for the trader, and can be used as a basis for different strategies. Learn more about technical confluence. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://mt5.expert.advisors.